Okay, hello everyone. So today's problem is our word subset, right? Uh, yeah. So it's a medium problem, but as you read through, you will see that it's not that much hard. You are given two strings, words 1 and words 2. A string B is a subset of string A if every letter in B occurs in A, including multiplicity. For example, WRR is a subset of warrior but is not a subset of world. So the count of elements should be less than or greater, right? Uh, yeah, greater or equal to. Yeah. String A from words 1 is universal if for every string B in words 2, B is a subset of A. Which means, like, for every string, let's say we have a words 1 list Amazon. So this E and this O should appear in Amazon, right? Even for L and E, like for this whole list, we iterate through every string, like Apple, Facebook, and we will check like for every string, this string is a string is the how do we say, the L and E are subset of this string. Like we need to consider the whole array for each of the strings, right? Now, yeah, what will be the logic here? Let's see. Okay, let's say we have two arrays, right? And okay, so what we are gonna do is we will take, let's say, this word here, right? And we will store it in a dictionary. Okay, so yeah, sorry. Okay, so what we will do is we will store it in a dictionary. But the thing is, they have given a very bad example here. Okay, so if we take some other example, like let's say for E and let's say for double O, so for this string only two of the strings match, which is Facebook and which is Google. Even for EO and OO. Okay, so for this whole combination, Facebook and Google are the only strings that match. Okay, now what we will do is we will create a dictionary for these elements. Okay, but like here you can see we have EO and double O, right? So what we will do is we will take maximum of the count in each string. Like here it is only one, in this string it is two, so we will take two. So the occurrence of O max should be 2. Okay, and once we have this dictionary, we'll compare this dictionary with each and every string of the our words one list. Okay, so O is two times, E is one times, so this one works, this one also works, but this does not. Okay, so let's code through, it's not that much hard. Okay, so what we will do is we will first go through our second dictionary, like for the words too. So we will create a dictionary here. Okay, and let's say this is our result list. This is the list that we will return, and let's start with creating the dictionary for items in words too. Okay, now for the maximum part, like how do we get the maximum part? What we'll do is we will create a temporary dictionary. Okay, temporary dictionary, and for ch in items, which it means like we are iterating through each of these list, each of these strings. Okay, like here let's say here we have 2 times L, so L and L every time. Okay, and if ch not in tmp, we will set tmp of ch is equals to 1, else I will set it plus equal to 1. Okay, now our list is ready, but what we need to do is we need to check the maximum of, we need to take the maximum of whatever element there is in this temp. Like let's say here there is an EO and there is 2 times O, like I have said in this example. So we need to take two O's. Let's say first we will go to EO. So here E and O. So for E there will be 1 and for O the dictionary will be 1. But here in second string you can see like we are asked for two O's. Okay. So that's why we need to take the maximum. How will we do that? That's why we created a temp dictionary. So we will again go through our dictionary for ch in, let's say, our tmp. If ch not in b dictionary, then what we will do, we will add it ch is equals to tmp of ch. Okay, so this tmp of ch is because we are iterating through this element and we want to add it into this dictionary. Okay, so this whole dictionary will be our words to dictionary. Okay, so that, and then else what we will do is we will do a max. Okay, so comma bdct of ch. Okay, so that's how we get our dictionary. And now simply we will iterate through each string in words 1. Okay, so for items in our words 2 dictionary, sorry, words 1. Okay, again we will create a temporary dictionary here. Why I'm creating it, you'll know it after I write the first iteration. Okay, so for ch in items, I am going through every element in our current string. If ch not in tmp, then tmp of ch is equals to 1, else tmp of ch plus equal to 1. Okay, so what I did here is I created a temp dictionary and all the characters of items is mapped into this temp dictionary. Okay, now we will create a flag. Why are we using this flag? Let's say like if we for every items we need to check if it is a if this dictionary or this words 2 is a subset of that item. Okay, so we will go through it for b in tct. Okay, now we will check like if k should not be in temp. If k is not in temp, or what we will check, like if the element in dictionary, which is b underscore tct, and for k is greater than tmp of k, then we will set the flag as false. What are we checking here? Like in our dictionary, let's say this is our dictionary for Amazon A2 M1 Z1 O1 and N1, right? So in this dictionary we will check like if the occurrences of should be less than or equal to the number of e's in this string. Okay, so instead of less than or equal to, we directly check for the other condition and set the flag to false. and we break. Okay, now we will check like if the flag is true, and then we will append the items. Which item? This string in words one. Okay, now when we return ls, let's see what happens. See, yeah, yeah, it is passing, and yeah, it's working. So thank you everyone. Hope you share, subscribe,